doll site on the doll site on the doll site on the
So it is you.
Salam alaikum, sir.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Nice meeting you, sir.
You're welcome.
Can you please tell us your name, sir?
My name is Abdullah Abdul Wahid Eleha.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Abdul Wahid. Please, I would like you to tell us the experience about this year festive compared to the last year. Which one do you think you prefer?
We all give thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which has spared our life till now. We all happy and we celebrated the Eid al-Fitr that have gone yesterday. The day before yesterday. So there is no much difference. All festival must be celebrated. We are all happy to each other, and I am greeting all my fellow people that Eidukum Eidu Mubarak Taqabbalallahu minna wa minkum. We seek from Almighty Allah to accept all our good deeds. That's all.
I would like you to use this opportunity to thank the brothers and sisters in Islam. Barakadi, sir.
I'm greeting my brothers and sisters, youngers and elders, that Barika de Salah, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept all our acts of ibadah that we have done in Ramadan and even before Ramadan and after Ramadan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Salam alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Thank you.